Welcome everybody to the Christian Scholars Bowl 2024 final between Temple and CAK. My name is Larry Holden. I will be reading the questions today. This is Ava Shaw to my left, who is our score keeper. And yeah, you can shout out for me. They've been working hard all day. They've been here since 8:30, so yeah. And then, yes, all of them. And to my right is Macy Brown. She will be our timer, our timekeeper. And we have other volunteers who have been here as well, and they've helped to make this day happen. We also appreciate all you parents and coaches who have come out and teammates to support the teams. It means a lot to us. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get on with the final. So, the rules are just the same as the preliminary rounds. There is no difference. So in the short answer question, I'll read the question. You may buzz in at any moment. As soon as you buzz in, you must give the question, answer the question without any stalling, literally within a second or two. If I read the question and complete the question, you have 5 seconds, both teams, to buzz in. Once you buzz in, again, you must immediately provide the answer. If a team buzzes in and misses the question, I will repeat the question in its entirety for the other team. So you do not have to immediately buzz in right away when they miss it. I will repeat the question in its entirety. Once we get to the long form question, I will explain that when we arrive. All right, CAK, are you ready to begin? Are you the captain for this particular one, Olivia? That's okay. And Will, you'll be the captain. Yes, Will's the captain. All right, the first category is science/creation. These are short questions. Once I've read the question, you'll have 5 seconds to buzz in. From data primarily on the motions of what planet did Kepler propose that planets follow elliptical orbits? Micah? Jupiter. That is incorrect. From data primarily on the motions of what? Harrison? Uranus. That is incorrect. Mars. Question 2, short question. What is the most common name of the protein that synthesizes DNA? Harrison?
Right. DNA synthesizer.
That is incorrect. What? Micah? I'm sorry?
RNA.
Incorrect. Real quickly, I'll call your name first, so if you answer immediately, I'm going to say your name as you're answering the question, and we're going to talk over each other. So after I say your name, please provide the answer. That is incorrect. The correct answer is DNA polymerase. All right. Question 3, multiple choice. Choosing from primary through quaternary, what level of protein structure is conferred by a beta-pleated sheet? I will read the multiple choice twice. A, primary. B, secondary. Olivia.
Secondary.
That is correct, secondary. Science long questions. I will read the question. You have 30 seconds after the question has been read to answer. Consultation between teammates is allowed. The captain needs to write the answer on the paper and display the paper. Not read the answer. Display the paper with the correct answer on it immediately after time is up. Question 4. What is the most common name for the temperature slope or depth interval over which temperature changes within the depths of a lake? Time. Is incorrect? Incorrect. Thermocline. Question number 5, science creation. Long question, multiple choice. What is the molar heat of vaporization for water at its boiling point and in kilojoules per mole? Is it A, 6.01, B, 40.70, C, 5.40, or D, 2.26. Again, A, 6.01, B, 40.70, C, 5.40, or D, 2.26? Answer, Will? B, 40.70. B, 40.70 is correct. Both teams are correct. Last question in the science category. Long question. What object in the night sky can reach a maximum apparent magnitude of negative 12.6? Will? The moon. That's both. The moon is. Both are correct. The moon, commonly known as Earth moon, or a full moon is also accepted. The moon. Both are correct. All right. The next round is social studies. If you would like to substitute, you may. Again, the category is social studies, which can include history, geography, current events, sports, the arts, etc. First questions are short questions. You'll have 5 seconds after the question is read to buzz in. Question 7, U.S. history. What document begins with the words, "We the people"? Will. That is incorrect. Which document begins with the words, "We the people"? Olivia. The United States Constitution, correct. Question 8, short question. What name is given to a number of the socialist, communist, revolutionary organizations that, I'm sorry, Jack? Bolsheviks is incorrect. What name is given to a number of the socialist, communist, revolutionary organizations, the first of which founded in 1864 under the leadership of Karl Marx? Will. That is incorrect. It's called the International. Question 9, short question, social studies. Name the so-called church founded by the author L. Ron Hubbard. Mr. Phillips. Scientology is correct. Social studies category, long questions. I will read the question. You'll have 30 seconds to answer. You may consult with one another. Captains, please write it on the paper and show it as soon as time is up. Question 10. Which historic Egyptian port contains the greatest library of antiquity? Renewed museum and school and the famous Lighthouse of Pharos. Are you both ready?
Yeah.
What? Alexandria. That's right. I had to. Yes. Yes. Oh my gosh, yes. Okay. Question 11. Long question. Multiple choice. According to the National Sports of Canada Act, what are the 2 national sports in Canada? I will read you the multiple choices twice. A, soccer and football. B, ice hockey and lacrosse. C, lacrosse and basketball. Or D, football and basketball. Again, is it A, soccer and football, B, ice hockey and lacrosse, C, lacrosse and basketball, or D, football and basketball? Are you both ready? Will, what do you have?
Ice hockey and lacrosse.
Ice hockey and lacrosse. B, hockey, ice hockey, lacrosse. That is correct. Both are correct. All right, final question in social studies. Long question. There are currently approximately 115 million speakers of what language in Africa? Name the language. Oh, are you both ready, yes? Will, what'd you have?
Swahili.
Swahili? Incorrect. French would be the correct answer. Right, this is the end of the first half of our game. Ava will now calculate the scores and we will report them. We are going to the English language, so if you want to go ahead and transition your teams, you can do that. Current score at the halfway point is Temple with 40, and the CAK with 7. That's a 13-year-old habit. CAK, Christian Academy of 9. Okay, the next category is English language. We'll begin with 3 short answer questions. I'll read the question. You have 5 seconds to buzz in. Question 13. She is considered the greatest female American poet of all time. Micah.
Emily Dickinson.
That's correct. Emily Dickinson, even though her poetry was all published posthumously. Question 14, short question. Convert the following sentence into indirect speech. Maria said, "It is my car." Olivia.
It is my car, was said by Maria.
That's probably right. Easton.
Maria said that it was her car.
Yes, that is correct. Close. 15. The word companion derives from the Old French compagnon, which refers to the sharing of what food? Olivia. Bread is correct. English language, we now have the long questions. You will have 30 seconds after I read the question. You may consult with one another, but please write your answer on the captain's paper. Show it when the time is up. 16. Along with ancient Egyptian, the Rosetta Stone, carved during the Hellenistic period and key to the deciphering of hieroglyphics, features which other language? Time. Lydia, answer please.
Greek.
Greek?
Yeah,
Greek is correct. Both are correct. Question 17, long question, English language. What is the part of the sentence that contains a verb and typically consists of both a subject and a predicate? Name this 6-letter word. Time. Olivia?
Clause.
Clause? That is both correct. Last question in the English language category. Question 18, long question. What common Latin phrase literally means something for nothing? Will?
Quid pro quo.
That is correct. Both are correct. Quid pro quo. Right, the next category is Bible. You may now substitute players. Excuse me. Oh. Next round is the Bible category. We will start with 3 short questions. Once I read the question, you will have 5 seconds to buzz in. Excuse me. Question 19. What did Saul fall on when he died? Yes, Courtney. I'm sorry? His sword. That's correct, his sword. Question 20. This heroine saved her people from being... yes, Micah. That is incorrect.
Egyptian. Bonus questions.
We gotta go to the extra. Yeah, we gotta go to the extra. The point was, on this one, I said, I had not read the answer before, and I should have. It said heroine, which denotes a female, and the answer was Absalom, it was a male. So that could have thrown maybe why he said Esther. So we're gonna go to a replacement question, which is why we have those. So, Bible question, short question. Who was the biblical enemy that took the Ark of the Covenant? Easton. Philistines is correct. Question 21, short question, Bible. What is the 4th commandment? Micah. That is correct. Observe the Sabbath, honor the Sabbath. Correct. Bible category, long question. You'll have 30 seconds after the question has been read to answer. Consultation is allowed. Please, captains, put the answer on paper and display immediately after time is up. Question 22. Question 22 says, what is the 4th commandment? We literally just, so we have to go to a replacement. When Paul was arrested in Jerusalem, the people that stirred up the crowd against him were Jews from what geographical area? Time. Will answer. Jerusalem. Answer Judea. The correct answer was Asia. Right. Second long answer question. Question 23. Name the demon that Jesus cast out in the region of the Gerasenes. Jack, are you ready? Will, you ready? Jack? Beelzebub? Legion. Our name is Legion, for we are many. Yes, Legion is the correct Question 24, long answer. Complete the following. Before King Nebuchadnezzar was restored as king, he went mad and lived as a Jack? Cow in the field. Cow in the field, yes. Cow or beast. Okay, that ends the Bible round. The next round is mathematics. You may substitute. For the last round, we'll go ahead and announce the score. Before we start the mathematics category, it's Temple 140, CAK 120.
Somebody in chat.
Okay, the next category is math. We will start with 3 short questions. After I read the questions, you have 5 seconds to buzz in. What is the circumference of the circle whose area is 25 times pi? Olivia, 10 is correct, yes. 26, short question. What is the tangent of 90 degrees? Will? 1. That is incorrect. What is the tangent of 90 degrees? Yes?
Would be undefined.
Undefined is correct. Last short question in mathematics. Who is the mathematician who found a famous triangle to do the Olivia?
Pythagoras.
That is incorrect. Who is the mathematician who found a famous triangle to do the binomial expansion? Will. That is incorrect. Blaise Pascal. Okay, math category, long question. You'll have 30 seconds after the moderator finishes reading the question. Consultation is allowed. Captain needs to write the answer on paper and display it immediately after the timekeeper says time is up. You may use calculators. Question 28. Solve the following logarithmic equation. I will read the equation twice. Log x minus log 8 equals 2. Again, log x minus log 8 equals 2. Time. Will? 4 is incorrect. 800 is correct. Question 29, mathematics, long question. Find the equation of the line in standard form whose intercepts are 6, 4, and 5, negative 3. Time, Olivia?
I don't.
Will?
7x plus 5.5.
Incorrect. 7x minus y equals 38. Last question of the match and of the mathematics category. Long question. Find the center and radius of the circle whose equation is x squared minus 8x plus y squared plus 4y equals 16. say that. Time. Olivia, answer.
The center is 4.2 and the radius is 6.
Can I see the paper? Point to it. 4, yeah, negative
So
2.
we're -2.
Yeah, she's got it on there. See it on the paper. And what do you have? Where's the radius?
We don't have it written out yet,
Radius is 6.
but we have 6.
What do you guys have?
We have a -4 in the radius.
Okay.
Alright.
No, but I mean, the 6 wasn't on the paper. Did they get it or not?
We have our equation figured out.
You do not have the 6 on the paper, correct? I'm simply asking him, do we count that or not? She said 6, but it's not written on the paper.
It doesn't count. Doesn't count.
I mean, I'll reread the instructions. The captain needs to write the answer on the paper and display it immediately.
It doesn't really matter that much.
Well, almost. Okay.
No, I'm just saying,
Not-
like,
it's
I'm
not
not
as-
gonna argue about
Oh,
this.
yes, right.
Like, I'm not gonna die on this.
Okay, so that's it. The game is over. Ava will now tabulate the scores, and we will shortly announce the winners. But for those that are here, let's give a nice round of applause to these people. It was a very, very close game, I assure you of that. Down to a question, I believe. And so they did fantastic. You should be proud. Okay, the final score, again, very close. It came down to literally the last question. CAK 150, Temple Christian 140. So coaches, please check your score sheets. Make sure that jives with what we have. If you find a discrepancy, please alert that, bring that to our attention, and we will discuss that. But other than that, that was the final score. But congratulations to both teams who played extremely well all day.